Welcome back to Dashcam Lunatic. If you enjoy our videos, consider hitting that subscribe button. To be featured in our videos, send your clips to us to the email address in the description below.
It's just so
What's
crazy.
this guy doing? Look at this fucking idiot.
It's crazy.
Did I get that on?
Whoa, what the fuck? What the fuck, dude? Seriously? Fucking dumb, dude. What the fuck was that all?
Okay, I'm going to try this as a retake on doing my video over on this stupid driver. This is the first time I'm using a mic as an overtalk on this, and I'm going to see how it's going to happen. All right, I'm sitting at I-70 and College Parkway at a light, and this is where I'm taking off. He honked his horn behind me. Now we're speeding up. As we come around this corner here, he cuts me off. And now that after we get pulled over here, there's a few spots where I'm going to tell you about something. First off, he's blaming me for the accident because I was supposed to have been, I speeded up on him. But no, he cut me off. And when he told me that it's my fault, I called the cops. After they showed up, they talked to him for a few minutes. Then they looked at my video. They found him at fault.
Du har min högtalare. Ja. Säg till Sean om det där. Ditt fucking ödla. Säg till att komma och banan om det där.
truck, man. Then you come in handy if you ever need it. But, oh shit! Fuck!
They say skewers, which is, it was for 45 people, so it was 90, because it's 2 each, 90 skewers, so it's like mozzarella ball, tomato, basil, that kind of wraps around another mozzarella ball, basil, and then tomato. There's like a skewer with like a mozzarella and basil, and then you get like a balsamic glaze one, and then a dolce, which is like chocolate bars and like cookies and shit like that, fancy like Italian shit, like a dessert. That's all it is.
You turd.
Oh, Emma's got a dog now.
Mm.
I'm going to say Emma.
Where are you going?
And Emma.
Yeah.
Fuck knows.
Let's just upset my kitten.
She needs to pull over.
It crashed. And I got it on video. This. Oh my god. It crashed right there. The truck went when somebody was coming.
Oh my gosh.
El Paso's holiday station, Sunny 99.9.
Celebrating the most wonderful time of the year.
With more holiday favorites in minutes.
There's some slow moving traffic on the Liverpool westbound between Desert Boulevard and Jonathan Drive. Also, there's some heavy traffic to look out for on Zaragoza northbound between Harris and Vista del Sol. And there's an accident that could cause some delays on Rojas Drive eastbound just east of Malmö. Also, there's a medical...
Just walking in the, I had to swerve out of the way to, like, you know, get around them because they're literally just walking down.
Fucking. Oh, watch out. They're probably drunk driving.